officer calling, my body camera on.
But I tried knocking on the door, and the door kind of opens up a little bit right here, but he ran back to this house. I don't even know if he belongs here.
Okay.
An alarming situation arose when a UPS employee witnessed a 3-year-old child wandering alone at a street intersection.
Hello? Police department!
Local police quickly arrived to intervene when they discovered the child hiding in a dilapidated house by the roadside. A person was chosen to appear, seemingly in a state of mental instability. Even more unsettling was the sight of the bewildered child. What was happening inside this house?
There's kittens everywhere.
You know, a feeling of disgust that comes after just a few minutes will completely change their minds.
But yeah, you said you saw him down here by the little pipes.
Right down here, and he's about ready to cross the intersection. I'm like, dude, you're gonna get run over. I mean, like in the car. And I asked him, I'm like, are you supposed to be out here? You look awful young. And then he just got out of the little pipe, started running all the way up the street.
Okay.
And he has like paint on him, and
Okay.
yeah. So I don't know what's going on.
All right. So you saw him down there. You asked him if he was okay, and then he ran back up here.
Yeah, ran all the way up there, tried to get into the front door.
Okay.
The front door's open, but he couldn't. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Yeah, he's right here.
Hey, bud. You doing all right? I'm Officer Carr.
He doesn't talk. He's probably about 2, you know. I don't know what to do.
Hey, bud. Do you live here? Hey, bud. You want to come out here so I can help you out? You're just trying to get back inside?
Do you mind if I get going, officer?
Yeah. Can I just get your name?
Oh, it's so freaky.
You doing all right, bud? You're all covered in paint, dude. Knuckles? What you doing in there? You got your mom's phone? Is mommy here? Mommy here?
The police officer always tried to get acquainted with the child in order to de-escalate the situation and facilitate the flow of information.
You doing all right, bud? You got your phone there. Beacon Police Department.
I know they sleep in, stay up late. I don't know if you're gonna get an answer.
Okay, do they have a child that lives here at all?
As far as I know, they have a boy. We don't,
Young boy?
yeah,
Okay.
we don't ever really see them outside.
Okay, yeah. So the young boy was out playing around and there's no parents around. He's sitting on the front porch right now. So I'm just trying to make contact with parents. You said they sleep in pretty long?
They normally do. When we are outside, we don't really see them.
Okay. If you saw the child, would you recognize him?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you mind walking up? I'm just I want to make sure this kid lives here or isn't a child that I appreciate it.
No, it's good.
Yeah, because UPS stopped and asked him if he was okay, and then he ran back to this address, and he's just up from here. You doing all right, bud?
Yeah, that's their kid.
That's theirs?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate it.
No problem, officer.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Confirming information from multiple perspectives spurred the officers to act decisively. They never imagined that what they witnessed a few minutes later would change their viewpoint forever.
Hi.
Hello? Mind stopping out and talking to me?
Yeah, sure.
So you have a child that lives here?
Yes.
What's his name? It's inside.
Yes.
His.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, he's up running around right now.
Okay. Well, he's out here. He got out of the house. All right.
Okay.
He was down the street.
Oh
Actually,
my God.
The UPS driver stopped and tried to get a hold of him. All right.
Okay, yeah, I have no idea at all how that happened.
Okay.
Like, I was in his room. I was in his room picking up, and like just picking up a little bit, and then he was just in the living room running around, and but yeah, I didn't hear any doors open or anything. Like,
Is anybody else home?
my wife, but she's asleep right now.
Okay. Can I get your name? Austin.
It's okay.
Okay. And you said your wife's inside.
Yeah, she has been feeling great recently, so she's just getting some extra sleep right now.
Okay. Mind if I speak to her as well?
Huh?
You mind if I speak to her as well?
I mean, you can, but like I said, she's like a
What's his name?
It's okay.
How long has he been covered in paint?
Since late last night, like he was asleep when I got home. I got home from work, and I mean he did this while I was at work. So my wife's handicapped. She isn't really able to dress much on her own.
You said, I'm sorry, you said your wife's what?
Sorry.
Yeah, I got you. You're good.
She's handicapped and wasn't able. She can't really get up on her own much like she can, and her health was kind of flared out last night. She let me know that she couldn't get up and give him a bath or anything, so I was gonna give him a bath.
You guys got power and water to the house and everything? Any other kids or just a little guy here?
Just him, and then we got a couple cats.
How long has he been in that diaper? Because
It looks like I haven't been able to get him dressed yet or get him changed yet. Like, Hey, don't do that.
What time did you get up around this morning?
I've been up since 6, and then he got up a little. What time is it now? Hey, don't.
what time is it now?
Yeah.
Well, it's about 9:10.
Yeah.
You good if I go chat with her real quick? Just make sure she's okay. You can just tell me how to get there if you want to hang out here.
Yeah. Like I said, he's made a little bit of a mess. So, she's right in here.
Okay.
Hey, babe. 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 Pops.
All right, we're good. We can go back outside and wait, man. That's okay. Jade, you okay? Are you okay? I'm police department. You okay? I'm just making sure you're all right. All right. Just want to make sure you're all right. We can go wait back outside, man. There's kittens everywhere in here.
The current care situation indicates that the officer is compelled to refer the child to Child Protective Services, a necessary measure at this time. This decision is not at all offensive, and they will endeavor to explain it clearly to the man.
I'm sure they said our cameras are on, man. So what's happening now with, given the nature of the call and everything? I'm sure you're kind of aware what's happening. We have a policy to go by. We had to contact. We've got the DCFS regarding the matter. Okay. I'll be completely blunt with you, man. I'm not saying this to be insulting. That inside of the house is unsuitable for a child.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
With that being said, we're not. How it's going to roll right now, we're going to hang out here. We don't want to cause any more stress or anything to the child or anything like that. Mm-hmm. On a technical level speaking, the child is in our protective custody currently. We're not going to remove you guys from each other. We're just going to hang out here together. Okay. Does that make sense? Or do you need me to explain that further for you?
Are you taking him?
On paper right now, the child is in our protective custody. Physically, I'm not removing him from you right now. We're going to hang out here until we hear back from DCFS, and they're going to come out and meet. Okay? That's how this is going to go. Again, everything I'm doing is in the best welfare of the child. Everything that I've seen in the home. Again, I'm not saying any of this to be insulting or derogatory towards you. Yeah. It's not right for the child to be living in there. He seems well fed, and I've told everyone that he seems well fed. Yeah. Outside of that, though, he's filthy. That diaper's been on him, I would assume, for several days by the looks of it. He's got a matted hair. I mean, I get if you come home tired, man, it is, but at the same time, the kid needs to be cleaned up before bed or something.
Yeah, of course. I mean, like I said, like when
we have no idea how long the kid was outside. Yeah. He could have been outside for hours, correct? Yeah. I mean, and I know you said you didn't hear him knocking. You said my suspicion is that you were probably asleep and didn't realize the kid got out. And the other reason we got you woken up is because I pretty much threw your door open and yelled pretty distinctively, trying to get your attention. Okay. Yeah. So just so everyone's on the same page, again, as of this moment, your son is in our protective custody. We're not going to physically remove him at this point, but anywhere he goes, we're going with, which is why we're hanging out outside, because I don't want to be inside the residence right now. Yeah. All right. hang tight with Officer Carr here for a second. We got to make a phone call, okay?
Okay.
On board with that?
Yep. Hello, I'm Officer Younglove with the Pekin Police Department. I just gotta let you know my body cam's on. I have a situation over here in Pekin regarding a child.
Okay, but is it a domestic abuse or?
No, ma'am. So this kid, a unknown caller called in for a child walking in the middle of an intersection with no supervision. The kid has no shirt on. He has pants on that's covered in paint. The child's covered in paint. His diaper's sagging down to his knees. It's been soiled several times, and according to the dad, the paint incident occurred sometime last night, and the dad got home from work around midnight last night, and he said he was up by around 6 a.m. this morning. So nothing has been done with the child. He was completely unaware that his child was no longer in the residence and in the middle of an intersection playing around. And it took us a while to even make contact with the father at the residence.
Okay. Yes, I can take that information. So let's start by getting your information. You say you're from the Pekin Police Department?
Pekin Police Department, that's correct.
Okay. And I can take that report, that information, and get DCFS involved.
Okay.
Where's the child now?
The child's name?
I wanted to know where the child is. The child with you all, is he safe now?
He is with us and the father. We are still out on scene talking.
We have...
I don't think. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
All right, so let's get your name first.
Real quick, ma'am. This is another officer, Officer McPhee, on scene as well.
Okay.
This child is not. We have not taken custody of the child. He's still physically with the parent, but
okay.
we don't like how this is looking, and we wanted to reach out to you guys and see if this is something you guys would want us to take.
Okay. That's something I'll have to send out to the field. Okay.
Yep.
They'll make that determination. Okay. So I'm going to do it as quickly as I can.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
The officer's report is currently being reviewed by supervisors and Child Protective Services, and the situation remains under further verification.
Beacon, I'm with the police department. I'm the code enforcement guy. I have a body camera on. I have to let you know that. They're a little concerned about the conditions of the house inside.
Yeah. I've been in the process of cleaning as well, so.
Okay, so do you mind if we take a look and see what's going on?
Sure.
Yeah, also, if you want to holler in, just let her know that we're coming in.
Yeah, just let her
stay
know.
out here with Officer Younglove.
Okay. I'll go.
I just noticed the flies.
We're good to come in, right?
I'm gonna get some pictures. So y'all notice all the flies? What's all over the floor right here?
Baby powder. He got into our bathroom last night. Candle.
Stopped in there once an officer got on 136 out there.
But
Okay.
no, not that one.
How old is that baby powder? Is it Johnson baby powder?
I do not know what.
Do you know where the thing is for it?
I know it's probably stuffed in the garbage. I haven't been able to take this out. The garbage can is already full. But we have one of these.
So that's like
that's been.
Air
How long has it been there? It's been there since last night.
yeah, but baby powder is air toxic.
Okay.
I mean that can make you and your wife extremely sick and almost like in some cases it can cause some really bad damage to your lungs.
Yeah.
Okay, so there might be a situation where you guys are gonna have to leave the house.
Yeah.
All right. Is there some place that you and your wife could go?
I don't know honestly. Like babe, you know anywhere that we could go? I mean, I just haven't gotten to this part. Like it's been there since late last night.
So you got animals too? How many cats do you have?
Yeah, we have two that are ours, and then we have like a stray that we brought in that had kittens.
How many kittens are here?
4.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Like I said, we have
I'm gonna have these guys get a hold of animal control and come out. Okay. I would get because that'll kill them.
Yeah. Honestly,
All right, can we take a look what's going on back there?
Yeah. It's,
You know your phone's on the ground down here?
that is a completely different phone. That one's broken.
Okay.
I can't use that one at the moment. I had one that I guess took off with.
What's in here?
That's his bed.
Whose bedroom?
His.
Can we open it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh,
Yeah.
come on, buddy.
Yeah, I've been trying to clean up in here as well. Sorry.
Speaking from 4 Animal Control, we have them respond back to here as well. Kittens,
I'm gonna get out of his way and walk. I'm being cautious not to step on an animal here.
So the resident by call.
Look at these bugs.
On this afternoon, take care of things.
See all the flies
What's that?
on the roof? I'm gonna try to get a video on here of these. Don't typically use the regular camera, but we're gonna get a video of the flies. Okay. Can we look in the backyard?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a door over here to the side. Sorry. Mudroom. Backyard door right there. Yeah.
Is there any animals back here?
No dog.
Go to the back, one of the windows in the backyard, and put that on there. See, Austin. So the Dream Center in Peoria, you guys, because of the family that you are, you'd be able to get a hold of them about possibly a place to stay. The Misty, the social worker, they contacted her for the city of Pekin. You could also reach out to her down at the police station. Not only is the condition of the house unlivable, but it's also dangerous to your health. Okay, so what's going on is you guys are going to get sicker and sicker. So right now we're going to placard the house as uninhabitable. And while you're finishing up with him, just to give you an update, you guys need to be out of here by this afternoon. Okay, so grab what you can that you need, and what will happen is if anybody's in the house, then and we get called out, then we'll board it up and you guys won't get in it at all. Okay? And then until the landlord calls us and we figure out how we're going to do to get the place cleaned out, nobody can be, it's just not safe to be in the house. Okay? If we have to, then the city will get a warrant, and then if anybody's in it, they'll get arrested and taken to jail. Okay? So I want you to call me and let me know where you guys end up. Okay? You got my number on that card as well. All right? And then but make sure that the landlord, whoever you guys, this married person, gets a hold of me sometime today, hopefully. Okay? All right, we'll let you finish up with animal control.
The father, Austin Peter, was arrested and charged with endangering the life of a child. The child has been placed in protective custody to ensure their safety. This case serves as a powerful reminder that protecting children and animals must always be a top priority, and timely intervention can prevent serious consequences.